In this video, I want to show you the Absolute Super Elixir from Pharmacy. Now, this is one of the products that I received in my UK starter kit. So I've been using it for almost 10 months now. Not every day, but I'll tell you more about that later. So, hi, if you're new here, my name is Gloria, and this channel is where I'm organising my product demos and information about pharmacy products and the business, so that it's easier to find, like a library, if you will, for my existing and potential customers and teammates. So before I get into it, can I just ask you a favour? Would you consider subscribing to the channel? Because that is going to help us get more visibility, and if you find value in it, please give it a thumbs up as well, and you can even share it with your friends if you know somebody who you think might get value from it as well. So thank you very much in advance, and now back to the video. Whenever I see something called an elixir, my mind immediately thinks magic potion. Don't know where I get that from. Maybe Harry Potter, maybe an old film that I saw, don't know. But it's usually, an elixir is usually a secret concoction that is going to change you somehow, make you younger, more beautiful, make you invisible, or even give you everlasting life. But those magic potions usually have a downside. But to keep things light here, I'm thinking Harry Potter type consequences rather than anything more sinister. This super elixir though is much nicer than that. You can use it as a face oil to give you a noticeably healthy glow and long-lasting moisturisation. You can put a drop or two on your hands and run it through your hair to beautify the strands and eliminates frizz, gives you a lovely shine, and those dry areas on your body are really going to love it. Did I mention it smells gorgeous too? It's got a texture that's as rich as an oil, but as light as a feather. It's easily absorbed into the skin, leaving a non-greasy but protective film. And yes, it's perfect under makeup too. It's made up of 15 seed oils. It's 100% natural. There's no silicone, no synthetic fragrances, no petroleum-based surfactants, and no phenoxyethanol. Managed to say that. Let's take a closer look at some of the ingredients that you may be familiar with already. So we've got camellia oil in there, which is a rich fatty acid that contains squalene and vitamin E, both known for their ability to penetrate your skin and to protect it from drying out, while at the same time delivering vital nutrients. Organic borage oil contains gamma-linolenic acid, or GLA to you and me. That's an essential fatty acid known for its calming and soothing properties. You have baobab oil, which helps your skin to maintain its moisture balance, and it helps to strengthen your hair and give it a luminous shine that just catches the light beautifully. There's also avocado oil, mango butter, and sweet almond oil, also ingredients well known for their anti-aging properties. The full list of seed oils in this elixir is on the website, so if you need it, I'll drop a link to that in the description below. Now let me give you some tips on how to use it. First of all, can we just appreciate this gorgeous packaging? This beautiful rose gold packaging. How beautiful would that look on your dressing table or in your bathroom vanity? When you open the cap, this little button pops up here, and that pulls the seed oils up into the pipette. Now that doesn't look a lot in there. Let me just make sure you can see that. It doesn't look a lot in there, but trust me, that is much more than you need for your face. So what I do is I carefully squeeze out just a couple of drops when I'm applying to my face. That's plenty there, so it's not quite even half of what was pulled up. And then warm it into your hands, and then take a big deep breath of that gorgeous citrusy aroma. It's absolutely beautiful. Warm it and then apply it to your face. Then if you have any left, you can apply it to the backs of your hands or run your hands through your hair, and that's going to treat your hair every day to eliminate frizz. When I apply it to my face, I usually do it after my vitamin C serum and before my day cream, especially in winter when you've got cold weather and central heating, doing its best to dry your skin out. Not to mention, as you get older, staying hydrated and moisturised is a challenge, especially in your 60s. Take it from me. Alternatively, you can add it to your day moisturiser and mix it in your palm before applying it to your face, and you can also use it. The same goes for your body lotion. Add some to your body lotion, probably a bit more than I've used just there. Just go for it. It's absolutely gorgeous on your body. Now, when it comes to your hair, you can also use it as an intensive treatment once or twice a week, depending on how often you wash your hair. You can just apply it and leave it on for 30 minutes. Excuse the dogs growling in the background. 30 minutes before you shampoo, or do as I do and apply a little bit more and sleep in it overnight when I'm going to wash my hair the next morning. I usually only wash my hair once a week, so I've done that treatment about 3 or 4 times in all the time that I've had it. But if you feel you need to do it twice a week, that's absolutely fine to do too. You're probably wondering how much it is. So, pharmacy, all the pharmacy products, there's quite a range. Pharmacy describe their products as affordable luxury. And we have single items going from £5 to £50. Now, the Absolute Super Elixir is at the top end of that. That is £50. The price, customer price is £50, and the influencer price is £35. So that is your 30% influencer discount already applied at checkout. So if you want to know how to get that 30% discount, then information is below in the description again. Another way to pay a bit less is to buy in sets, and we do have a twin set in this gorgeous box here. Let me just show you the box first. In this gorgeous box here of 2, and with it comes this free massaging tool, which, as you can see, is quite a good size. It's heavy, it's metal, it's cold, and I didn't realise until I got this, I treated myself to this, that they're actually rollers on here. So this allows you to get some good massage movements there. And the cheeks, under the eyes, fabulous. I will do a video on using that as a massage tool. So that comes free with the box set of 2. This is £90 customer price, £63 pharmacy influencer price, and along with the massage roller, so that's a nice saving with a free gift as well. That's going to probably last me a whole year. So if you've got somebody special to buy a gift for, just imagine how nice it would be to receive this gorgeous, gorgeous gift. Right. Now, I hope this video has been helpful, useful to you, and I will be making more, as there are lots of pharmacy products to go through with new product launches every month. So if you'd like to keep up with what's new on this channel and new product launches, etc., then please do sign up for the Glow Down, which is my weekly scoop email newsletter, where I pull together social media posts, YouTube uploads, insider info, new products, all into one convenient place that comes direct to your inbox, instead of us hoping that the algorithm will be kind to us and you will see what I post. The easiest and most secure way for you to send me your email is to download one of my free guides, and I've put links to those down below in the description also. Have you got any questions? Maybe you've got an idea of what product you would like me to demonstrate next. drop those in the comments for me as well, because I'd love to hear from you. So till next time, have an awesome day, friends, and I'll see you soon.